Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and welcome to 412 bar 184 Symonds Street. This top level apartment is super bright and sunny and is definitely going to be popular as it's located right in the middle of all the action. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, these are a bit of a rare find, so make sure you come along and have a look. Sitting on the desirable northwest facing side of the building, you'll enjoy a warm and light aspect. The apartment is generously sized and has everything you might need, with built-in storage, contemporary kitchen and modern bathrooms. To complete the package, there's an on-site building manager, excellent security, and the apartment even comes with 2 car parks. You're spoilt for choice with cafes, bars and restaurants located right on your doorstep, as well as the university and plenty of transport options close by. We know this is going to be a popular apartment, so make sure you come along and view. We look forward to seeing you here on the weekend.